here for Speed Cam Software. Today we will be talking about the profit milling. So today we will learn what is the profit milling and what is the benefit of profit milling, why we should use profit milling. So basically, profit milling is a high-speed roughing strategy which allows us uh, to take significantly deeper, faster, and more efficient passes while reducing wear on the tool and machine. It was developed to take tool engagement angle and constant step over into consideration rather than just controlling one parameter. So concentric which is our conventional milling strategy, it can only control one parameter, which is constant step over. But profit milling can control both engagement angle and constant step over. Both parameter can control, and we can uh, control the tool load and machine wear. Profit milling manages chip load and side cutter force as well, while calculating tool path, and but it can control material removal rate within specific range. So using this technology, we can reduce at least 40 to 75% cycle time, and tool life can be enhanced by 400 or 500%. So these are the learning objects. So we will learn how conventional milling tool path works and what is the limitations of conventional milling. Then we will see what is the profit milling, how profit milling works, and how it will remove the limitations of conventional milling. Then we will try to program toolpath in the software itself, and we will see how actually it looks like in the software and how we can program profit milling and profit turning toolpaths. Then we will see advantages of profit milling again, how we can reduce up to 70% cycle time, how we can enhance or improve tool life by 500%. Then we will see what is the requirement of the profit milling, what we should consider before applying profit milling strategy. So basically, before going to the profit milling, let's see what is limitations of conventional milling toolpath. What is the limitations of traditional milling toolpath? Okay, so this concentric milling toolpath has its limitations such as sharp corners, full slotting width, then high engagement angle, and constant centerline feed rate. For example, tool can become fully engaged in the slots that is slightly wider than the tool width. Here you can say this slot is slightly wider than tool width, but tool will be fully engaged here, and also uh, tool engagement can become higher in the areas like corners and the sharp directional changes. So due to this sharp directional changes and inconsistent tool engagement, we have to reduce depth of cut. We have to reduce depth of cut. We have to take very small depth of cut while cutting the part using conventional milling tool path. Here you can see uh, before engaging at the corner, tool engagement is very less. On the left hand side image, you can see tool engagement is very less. But while tool is engaged in the corner, tool becomes fully engaged. So this type of inconsistent tool engagement can be created or produced by conventional milling tool path. And due to this type of tool engagement, tool hitting and tool breakages will be means this type of problem can be happening. Then the conventional milling tool path produces only single feed rate, means whatever tool engagement is, the feed rate will be same. Single center line feed rate will be produced. But while tool engagement is more or a tool is fully engaged, we cannot use 100% feed rate, or we have to optimize our feed rate, or we have to use dynamic feed rate in the areas where tool is fully engaged. But conventional milling cannot produce this type of feed rates. And as a result, we can see tool hitting, machine spindle hitting. This type of problem can be happen, and due to inconsistent tool load, tool breakage, and tool life reduction problem also we can face. And due to the sharp directional changes, the machine life also can be compromised. So will be compromised. So let's see how profit milling helps in these problems. You can see here all the sharp corners or sharp directional changes are replaced with smooth blends. And for slottings, profit milling can produce trochoidal slotting strategy. So trochoidal passes will be applied in the slots. That slot is lightly or slightly wider than the tool width. Then for corners, profit milling will produce corner picking strategy. It means at the corner, the extra passes will be taken to control the tool engagement. And here we can see, as a result of this enhancement, we can take full depth cutting. Means we can take single depth of cut for entire entire profile. We don't have to take multiple passes. As I said, tool engagement angle is most important factor in milling operations. And conventional milling toolpath cannot control tool engagement angle, or it cannot produce constant tool engagement. But profit milling can control or produce constant tool engagement. It can maintain tool engagement within a specific range. So we can, using this tool engagement angle, we can control chip thickness as well, and we can control tool hit, then machine spindle load. All these things can be controlled by this only tool engagement angle. Then next most important factor is corner. While cutting a profile with conventional or traditional milling tool path, the tool engagement becomes tool becomes fully engaged in corner, and that's why the tool breakage, most of the time tool breakage happens in the corner only. So that's why S3 introduced this corner picking strategy. Corner picking strategy actually creates extra trochoidal passes at the corner to ensure that tool engagement is within a specific range.
કેમ કે એ પછી
So
કઈ
it can
possible
control
નહીં
tool
થાય.
engagement within a specific range, and as a result, we can control
એને કે
tool load
તું
and
હા તું
machine load.
સમજી લે કે આજે
And
તું
chip thickness also we can
ઓફિસે
control.
નાખવાનું વિચારે છે બરાબર,
So
તને કેટલો કેટલો એક્સપેન્સ થાય છે
the this corner
એ જ
picking
સમજ કે
strategy is
ભાઈ એટલું
also
એટલું
most
એક્સપેન્સ થઈ
important
ગયો, આપણે
factor
ઓફિસનો
where
થઈ
we
ગયો.
can
સોફ્ટવેર ઉપર એ વન ટાઈમ
improve our
ચેન્જ નહીં
tool
કરવો.
life.
જે બી પીસી નું એને કે વન ટાઈમ જે બી છે ને તું એને કઈ બી
Then
ડિસ્કસ કરે
next
ને તો
is
બે વસ્તુ કરે.
dynamic feed
એટલે
rate.
અલગ છે કે આ વન ટાઈમ
See,
ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ પ્રોગ્રામ
the
બરાબર,
dynamic feed rate is
મંથલી બેસિસ પર
means
વન ટાઈમ
profit
આપવું
milling can produce
સોફ્ટવેર જેવું
dynamic feed rate, or it can reduce the feed rate where tool engagement is more. If tool is becoming a more engaged, or
બસ આ બધું થઈ
the,
ગયું.
it can identify the areas
બીજી
where
બધી વસ્તુ
tool
આવે ને
load
તો
can
ઓફિસનું રેન્ટ,
increase. In that area, SPID can reduce the cycle time. Sorry, reduce the feed rate. So you can see here at the corners, the feed rate is less than the given feed rate. In this operation, the given feed rate was means the standard feed rate was 6,000, but whenever G3 command or corner I mean, so circular command is active or circular command is happening, the tool speed is automatically reducing feed rate.
ભાઈ ત્યારે છેલ્લે જોયું.
Then
બે ટેકનિક
there is one more important factor or one more important function in property milling is micro lifting.
મળી જાય. મેં કીધું બાપાને
In the
મહેનત કરો.
trochoidal passes,
એને ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ આપણે ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ નહીં કહેવાનું, ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ વાળું કઈ
the non-cutting moves are
ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ
replaced
વાળો
with
સમજ
the
એને
feed
પચ્ચી આપી
movement.
છે આપણે.
These movements
એને
are
30
not
આપી છે.
a rapid
એને
movement.
કહી
You
દેવાનું
can
કે
see here
આટલું
these
છે.
red lines are micro
એટલે
lifting.
કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ છે તારે
Means,
અહીંયા બેસી
transition between moves are replaced with feed rate for smooth acceleration and deceleration of machine.
એક્સેલન્ટ મોડ.
So while developing profit
મોડ
milling
તો
strategy,
સેકન્ડ
developer
એવું તો કહેવાય ને.
consider the tool life as well and machine life as well.
એ તો રાખી જ લેવાય ભલે ને બે
And
ત્રણ
these
દિવસ. આપણે તો
transition feed rates we can control it inside the technology. So whatever the feed rate you have given, you can increase the percentage for this
માણસ તો હારા જ જોઈએ ને.
or feed rate for
એના માટે 25-30 હજાર તો
transition movement.
આપણે એટલે કેટલું
For example, you have given 10,000 or 1,000 feed rate for standard feed movement
રાખી છે બરાબર.
or cutting movement,
ફ્રી ઇશ્યુ ત્યારે અમે કરીશું. પછી તો કેવું
and
કિચન
if you have given transition feed rate as a 200%, then your feed rate will be 2,000 for transition movement. So instead of taking rapid movement, the transition moves are simply replaced with the feed movement, and feed we can increase as per our
આખું easy પડે ને.
requirement.
કોમ્પ્યુટરનું છે મારી પાસે quotation.
So we can
થોડુંક નાનો
see the transition between moves are replaced with
ઓફિસ આવે voice
feed
આવે,
movement.
voice આવે.
So acceleration of and deceleration of
જે રીતનું કરવાનું
axis
છે બધું કામ.
will be smoother.
એટલે એના ઓવરઓલ છે ને આખું પેકેજ
Now,
ઉપર કયા કયા નાખવાના આવશે એ આપી દે.
now I want to take you through a video comparison between concentric milling toolpath and profit milling toolpath. So it will be helpful for you to understand the basic difference between concentric milling and
ઓકે
profit milling. In this video, you can see the concentric milling passes
ना ना ये तीनों
और
का ऑर्डर
cutting.
आएगा ना, उसने मेरा मीटिंग हो गया.
I guess
ओके तो उसने तीनों का है ना मुझे 1-2 दिन का टाइम
sound
दिया
is
है.
not there.
1-2 दिन में ना वो अपडेट करेगा इंस्ट्रक्शन.
Okay, but you can see tool is taking multiple passes, and at the corner
कौन सा पार्ट था
a
एक
sharp directional changes are happening.
ये
The tool
पूरे
is
ground में ना
changing the direction sharply, so jerk mark and
एक स्लोप है
everything
ऊपर से वो
will
स्लोप
be happen at the corner.
हाँ इंटरनल
So
स्लोप
in
है
this case,
वो किया है या
tool
नहीं किया है.
damage or tool breakage can be happen.
मैंने बोला मैंने वो तो
So,
किया ही है, मैंने ड्राइंग में जो है ना वो
To reduce these risks, we have developed this
लेकिन और स्कोप से
profit
देखा
milling
तो दिख नहीं रहा है वो।
Profit milling will control the tool
हाँ इतना
engagement
माइनर है
throughout
इसलिए।
the tool path or throughout the cutting time, and maintain the tool load, spindle load, and
हम्म।
uh, tool temperature as well.
हाँ। बराबर बराबर। ठीक है चलो ना वो मतलब वो 100%
We
तो
can
नहीं
see
पड़ा,
the tool is
उसको दिखता नहीं था। ओके
engaged
मैं उसको बोला एक
constantly
बार, बाकी वो
with
मेरे
the
ख्याल से ना
material, but the
मतलब
tool
बाद में
engagement is
100%
very
अप्रूव हो जाएगा।
light.
ओके
So side
मुझे ऐसा
engagement is
लगा,
very light, so
लेकिन
we
वो भी
can
तुरंत नहीं बोला, उसने एक दो
increase the
दिन का
feed
टाइम लिया मेरे
and
पास।
speed of the
ओके हाँ
cutting.
कोई ना, वो पूरा इंस्पेक्ट करेगा। ठीक है। हम्म।
Instead of
हाँ
taking multiple depth, we can take single depth because we have
बराबर।
controlled the tool
हाँ
engagement. When tool engagement is under control, or temperature, tool load, and spindle load
यस
is
यस यस।
our control, we can increase
लेकिन वो
depth,
हो जाएगा, उसमें ना
depth of
थोड़ा
cut,
बहुत
and
कुछ भी लगे ना
cutting
चलेगा।
parameter as well. Okay,
यस बस बस वही ना।
so this is the basic difference between
ठीक है बस
concentric
तो
milling
ये आज
strategy
करते हैं ना।
and profit milling
हाँ
strategy. So this profit milling and turning strategies are available for all the machining cycles: 2.5 axis milling, then 3 axis milling. Then we can find profit
मैं उसको
milling
ऐसा
in
बोल सकता हूँ
four
ना,
and five axis
डायरेक्ट
as
ये बोल
well.
सकते हैं।
So let's see how
हाँ
we can create a
ठीक
tool
है,
path, and
बाकी
how exactly
बन
we
जाए
can
तो इतना बोल
reduce
सकता हूँ ना
cycle
ये।
time, or how exactly we can improve tool life using profit milling. So
यस यस यस।
let me open
हाँ
S3.
बराबर चलेगा। हाँ कोई जल्दी नहीं है, एक दो दिन के बाद करते तो भी चलेगा। हम्म। हम्म।
For this presentation, I am using
नहीं
this
नहीं
TNG
वही
version of S3,
वही
but this profit milling,
ठीक है ना,
profit
बाद में से
turning
उसको भी
strategies
कर
are
लो।
available in 2000 series as well, and these
वही मैं
strategies are
मतलब बाद में पता चल जाएगा। ठीक है
available in default license. So we
हाँ
don't
और
have
इसको
to
भी बोल देंगे,
purchase
वो पूरा
additional
उसके
add-on
हिसाब से
or
बोल देंगे
add-in
इस
for
तरीके, भाई
this
आपको ना पहले
profit
देना
milling. You
पड़ेगा।
will
ओके
find these
सैंपल के लिए देना
options
पड़ेगा, उसके बाद उसको
inside
बोलेंगे भाई तू
the
बड़ा
normal
ऑर्डर देगा तो
operations
माइनस
itself.
कर देंगे।
So now see, these are same
चलेगा
pocket,
उसका भी।
similar pocket we
उसका
can say.
हाँ दोनों के लिए फायदा है।
In this pocket, we will apply constant
नहीं मैं वही
or
बोल रहा हूँ कि उसके
concentric
अंदर कुछ भी इन्वेस्टमेंट भी लगता है ना,
milling
तो वो भी
strategy, which is
ऐड करके भी मुझे
conventional
बता
milling
देना, तो हम
strategy,
लोग पार्टी में
and
हाँ बोलेंगे।
for this pocket, we will use profit milling strategy. So let me create feature for
हाँ नहीं नहीं
this
अभी
and
मत करो।
this both pockets.
हम्म।
Here we can just say pocket, and then both
यस
features will
यस।
be created. Esprit has automatic feature recognition options as well. You can use automatic feature recognition options to recognize the feature from solid models. So every time you don't have to create features manually.
ठीक है तो आप है ना
Yeah,
क्या करना,
there
ये
were
वो दो वाला क्या
previous
मतलब दो
features as
आएगा ना,
well.
तो उसके साथ दो
Okay, so
और ये तीन, ये पांच का होगा
now
ना 99% हो जाएगा फाइनल।
uh, I have saved
ये
the
उसको इसमें
process,
वो
so I
हैप्पी
will
है।
just open save the process
परसों आएगी
for
ना बुधवार को।
concentric milling. I have saved this process to save the time, so we don't have to
ठीक है यानी
fill
अराउंड ये
all
वेडनेसडे
the
आएगी तो
technology
फ्राइडे सैटरडे
pages.
तक होगा।
So I have created this operation and saved
हाँ
it
सब रेडी है, हाँ ये
upfront, so we can save our time.
ठीक है
So
चलो।
here basically we don't have to do anything extra. We can just pick
हाँ
our
मैं
tool
मैं
here.
कर लूंगा तुरंत ही।
Then in the strategy here you have to select tool motion pattern,
મેં બનાવી
then
કે જોઉં છું પણ કે એને
total
બની
depth,
જશે
then
મારે
incremental
મારો
means depth of cut we have to add here.
નથી મારી પાસે એ વસ્તુ
For concentric milling, we will take 3 mm depth of cut.
આપીએ
The total depth is 20 mm,
ઓકે હોય તો
and the cutting parameter, let me check inside
તમને
the
મને હજી ના પાડી
rough
કે
tab.
કસ્ટમર
Here we can see cutting parameters are
છે મારી પાસે
like 6000 rpm we are using,
बाद आपको
or
भेज भी दूंगा उसके बाद आप बोलोगे इंस्पेक्शन
660 spm we are using. Then for tooth feed rate we have used 0.05 for XY and Z feed rate. Then the step over. See, constant or concentric milling or conventional milling strategies can control only single parameter. It can only control step over. Because after taking one pass, how much tool should shift for take the second pass? After completing this pass,
રાખી લેવાનું
how much tool should shift to take
કારણ કે પછી તને
another
લાગી
pass or second pass? So between passes, the distance between passes we can control here. That is the only parameter in the conventional or concentric milling we can control.
એક લે તો ભાઈ બીજી બીજું જવાનું.
Then entry exit
એકવાર એની કંપની અહીંયા હું નામ
strategy we can use here. Since we are plunging the tool on the solid material, so we will go with the ramping. So ramping entry exit parameter I have already defined here. Then these links are just only for
26-27
entry and exit rapid movements. Then let me say okay.
हेलो
Now if we
हाँ जी
check the cycle time of this operation, which is almost 19 minutes. Okay, now let me create profit milling operation here. For profit milling also I have saved one process, so I just have to import that process here.
એમાં એ લોકોને મેલ ફોરવર્ડ કર્યો હતો મેં તમારો પણ એ લોકોને એમાં અરજી
Sorry. Now you can see the difference between strategies. You can see in the concentric milling there are few sharp corners or sharp directional changes. You can see here also there are many sharp directional changes. At the corner there are only single pass is there. There is no corner taking or extra passes created for corners or areas where tool engagement can increase. But
આપણે પેલો શ્રીસેન નહીં હતો
in the profit milling, here you can see there is no sharp directional changes. Every pass is trochoidal pass or blend pass. For corners, you can see extra passes are taken to control the tool engagement and tool load and spindle load. For slotting, this here you can see for slotting this trochoidal passes
ઓકે
has been created. For open cavity, profit milling can create spiral passes. So spiral passes are always good for material chip evacuation. If you are creating spiral passes in open cavity
ઓકે તો
or
એક લિંક હોય ને લિંક
areas where profile is not there or corner is not there,
નીચે લોકો
then the chip evacuation will be smooth. So profit milling can identify the open areas and it will create spiral passes for open areas. Now let me open the
સ્ટુડન્ટને મોકલવા માટેની લિંક
operation and
લોકોને બી ચાલશે
okay. So here also we are using same tool, 35 mm end mill. Then inside the strategy, we have to select a tool motion pattern profit milling instead of concentric in or concentric out.
ઓકે વાંધો નહીં 26 અને 27
Now, as I said, transition feed rate
ચાલુ
we can
કરવાનું છે
increase here. If for cutting movement we are taking
હા હા
8,400 feed rate.
એટલે અમારે સેશનનું છે ને
For transitional moves or non-cutting movement, we can increase feed rate by percentage. So you just have to increase percentage here or values here. And then
હા એમને એટલે જે આપવાના છે બે એવું જ આપવું
tools non-cutting movements feed rate will be increased. Then here we can control minimum trochoidal radius and maximum trochoidal radius. The radius of the trochoidal passes that can be controlled through this minimum and maximum trochoidal radius and width.
એટલે મેઇન 26 જ
So
આપવું છે
this is
અમારે
our
તો
minimum trochoidal radius. So it will tool will not create less than 14 mm trochoidal radius in the tool path. Then minimum corner radius also we can define. So tool will not try to cut less than this
એ
amount.
ભાઈ સારું છે actually.
It will not create a tool
એના
path
ફોટો
for
નાખી દીધા.
less than
એનો
3
ફોટો
mm.
પડ્યો છે મારી ભાઈ નાખી દો એની એનો.
Okay, so this last corner radius will be 3.
બે જણનું કરવાનું છે આપણે
Means
26 અને 27
whenever sharp directional changes are there, it will create
ત્યારથી એક
minimum 3 mm corner radius. There will no any
એવું કઈ નહીં.
sharp directional changes.
સ્ટુડન્ટને કે આ છે ટોપિક રાખે છે પણ કે આ
Then
એ આપી દેજો.
depth is the same,
Mechanical field છે.
size also is the same,
છે ને.
but the incremental depth we are taking
Manufacturing
single
software
depth.
છે કે તમારા
We are not
એમાં
taking multiple
totally
or
software ઉપર
multiple depth of cut or multiple passes
એને જે આપેલું ને એ બી
for
ચાલે.
this profit
પાછું
milling,
repeat એને હું આપેલું
because we have controlled
એ ચાલે ને.
tool engagement.
Ready કર.
So where we can control tool engagement,
તમે જેમાં આપેલું ને
in the roughing page we have option tool engagement angle.
થોડું મારે
As I explained, tool engagement angle
2 થી 4
is most important factor in profit milling or high speed machining. So we can control tool engagement angle here. And based on this tool engagement angle, step over or side engagement or side milling passes will be created. So for normal steel material, we can take up to 40% tool engagement, or we can engage tool up to 40% tool engagement angle. Based on this angle, the step over will be calculated. So how much percentage will be engaged, you can see here. So 12% constantly will be engaged with the material while cutting entire profile.
એ લોકોને ખબર નહીં એ ડાયરેક્ટર છે પણ એને કેવું ખબર ઉપરથી બતાવવા માટે
Then
એકદમ એકદમ
the cutting parameters. Since we are controlling tool engagement angle and tool load, then chip size or chip width or chip thickness, we can significantly increase the feed rates or cutting speed.
સમજ પહેલા તો ફિક્સ વાળું છે ને
Typically we just doubled or tripled the parameters.
ચાલુ કરી દેજે rotation.
So it was 6,000
ભલે
in
એવું નહીં કરતો એ બે નહીં ભલે એક
concentric milling. So here we can take or we can just
બીજું કઈ હોય તો થોડું
8,000 or 7,000
અને
RPM.
મોડે ગયા ને તમારો બી થોડો ખર્ચો નીકળે
The feed rate was I guess it was 0.05 per tooth. So here we can say 0.15 per tooth and 0.15 per tooth for Z.
અહીંયા બે છે ને એનો એટલે આપણે પછી એ રીતનું
Then say now
એક થોડુંક એને કહીને બી થોડુંક લઈ લેવાનું કે ભાઈ
for entry and exit we will use helical entry strategy because we are taking single depth. So we first depth will be or first depth engagement will be 20 mm in the Z direction. So we have to ensure that the engagement or entry of the tool should be smooth. So we are going to take or use this helical at point option. We can just enter a tool in the helical at the particular point. I can just pick this point, so tool will start cutting from here. The entry will be helical. Then there's minimum and maximum radius of this helical we can control here as per the tool's cutting edges. If tool is center cutting, then you can just reduce the minimum and maximum radius. But if your tool is not center cutting tool, then you have to ensure that your center point of the tool is not engaging with the material while entering in material. Then again, last page is same. Now see, the concentric milling tool path's cycle time is almost 19 mm, and here you can see the profit milling which we have created with single depth. Its cycle time is 14 mm. So almost 5 mm we have saved here. Still, inside the strategy we have one option, alternate cut direction. If we say alternate cut direction, yes, then entry point will be changed, and profit milling can optimize the tool path and save more time. You can just say the alternate cut direction, yes, and we can just optimize the tool path and save the cycle time. Let me check the cutting parameter. Okay, so now here you can see cycle time is almost 13 mm. So here we could save at least 7 minutes. Still depends on the material or material class. We can increase the cutting parameters, or we can increase this engagement angle. For standard or soft material, at least 40% tool engagement we can use. For hard material, we have to use 20 to 25% tool engagement. Now here you can see almost more than 50% we could save this cycle time for this pocket. If you see cycle time of this pocket, it is 19 mm, and with the same profit milling, we could complete this pocket with 8 minutes and 36 seconds. Now just see the simulation. We can see in the concentric tool path, you can see with the first cut itself, tool is becoming 100% engaged, and there are lots of sharp directional changes which can cause tool life and machine life. So you can see this sharp directional changes can harm the tool and machine spindle as well. So it can increase tool heat So we have to decrease the depth of cut. We cannot take higher depth of cut with this type of cutting passes. But in the profit milling,
Hello. Yes, sir.
we can see
Now,
the tool is smoothly engaging in the material, and
हाँ
now
बोली बोली
after the depth
एग्जैक्टली पहले
complete
टारगेट बोली थी मैंने
pass,
आइडिया भी
tool is constantly engaged in the material.
ओके
Now here we can say this directional or transitional changes between passes. The feed rate will increase
बड़ी बात आज मानता है
while taking
कहो हाँ
or moving from one pass to second pass. So same profile we can cut with the concentric pocket and profit milling cycles. But the tool life and cycle time we can optimize with the profit milling only. Concentric cutting passes has its limitations like sharp corners, full engagement, then single center line feed rate. But profit milling can produce smooth blend passes, trochoidal passes, then corner picking for corners where tool engagement or tool load can increase. And due to this enhancement or smooth passes or smooth transitional changes, and
ले
then
ला मैं ऐसे ले
a
अप्रूव
consistent tool engagement and tool load, we can significantly increase our depth of cut and cutting parameters.
મેં
Now let
વિચારેલું
me
કે હા
show
યાર કઈ એ લોકો મેલ કરી તો છે કઈક તો કરે ને
let me show you how we can
બોલ આ કદાચ
see
મેનુ બંધ કરવાનું કદાચ થયો તો
the feed rate
હા ચાલે
changes
છે
in the NC curve.
આગળ આવી જાઉં કા આમાં નહીં થતું બીજા કઈ સમારે નહીં
Say feed rate is constantly changing for every pass. For G2 movement, there is a different feed rate. For G1 or linear movement, there is a different feed rate. So Esprit or profit milling can identify the areas where tool engagement can increase, and it will just reduce the feed rate in that area. And for transitional changes between passes, which is non-cutting moves, it can increase the feed rate. Just instead of rapid movement, we can use smooth feed, high speed or high feed moves between passes. Now let me open one example for 3D or 3 uh, mold operations. As I said, this profit milling strategy is available for 2.5D machining, then 3D machining or three simultaneous 3-axis machining. Then it is available for 4-axis simultaneous 4 and 5-axis machining. Also, this strategy is available for all type of machines. You can use this strategy on milling machine and mill-turn machine and multitasking machine, or you can use this profit milling strategy in Swiss style machine as well. So let me show one example of 3D operation or mold operation. Here also I have saved one process. I just have to open it. Now for this operation, the tool which we are using, it has not enough flute length or cutting length to take a single depth. So we have to take multiple depth uh, with profit milling. But let me open it first. But if we are going with the top down strategy, means if we are cutting this part from top to bottom, if we are starting from top to bottom with the multiple depth, then you can see the tool or cycle time will increase. Let me just complete the simulation of this. Okay, so calculation is completed. Now we can see the simulation. Now see, if we are taking multiple passes from top to bottom, then uh, we have to create tool path for entire block every time. For with every depth, we have to create tool path for entire block, entire raw material. Let's see the simulation. See, with the first pass, it has completed one step, but it has to create a passes for entire raw material. And with the second pass also, we have to create passes for entire raw material or entire area of the block. And due to the constant depth, we cannot remove maximum material on this 3D shape. Just see the final stage. See, you can see here there are 3 steps only tool has taken. but here here is one sharp corners it has been created, but if you see in the model there is a 3D profile we have to create on this with this operation. For that we can just change the cutting strategy inside the technology. Now if we say depth strategy as a top bottom up, then we can simply optimize the cutting area and cycle time also will be optimized. Now you can see first pass will start from bottom. Let me show the simulation. After completing first pass, second pass will be optimized. So tool we don't have to take multiple or extra passes on the outside of the profile. Also we can see here maximum material has been removed. You can see here also passes are created and this material has been removed with bottom up strategy. If we compare a cycle time of this to tool paths, we say create the toolpath with the bottom top down strategy. Three constant passes will create. See, three constant Z passes are created, and the cycle time you can say it is almost 3 minutes, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. But with the same profit milling, if you go with the bottom up strategy, you can simply optimize the cutting area and also save the cycle time. See, with the bottom up strategy, here also 3 Z passes are created, but after every pass, the second pass is optimized or cutting area is less for second pass. If you check the cycle time, it is almost half of the previous one. So Esprit has multiple options to use as per the profile condition or as per the requirement in the market. These bottom up and top down strategies are available under depth strategy in the Z offset menu. Then all other options are same like a previous operation we have seen. The step over can be controlled with the tool engagement angle. Then alternate cut direction we can take, means after completing one pass at the same point we can take second pass or second we can start a second step over. Then minimum and maximum toroidal radius and width, the same as previous one, we can control here. So this is profit milling wrapping operation with bottom up strategy for mold operations. Now let me open one example of fourth axis. Here also you can see we have to create one feature. Feature, you know how to create feature, because Esprit is feature based CAM software. For every operation or every toolpath, we have to create one feature before applying any strategy. So for this part also we have to create one feature. So we already have create one features, and we have created one toolpath on the same. Let me open the operation. Now everything is same. We have used 16 diameter end mill. Then we are using profit milling obviously. Then step over and tool engagement we can control. Now for simultaneous fourth axis movement, we have to enable 5 axis option here. There is one page called 5 axis. Inside the 5 axis page, we have one option which is followed curve floor. If we say followed curve floor, yes, then the simple 3 axis operation or a toolpath will be converted into 5 axis. Then there is one more option to control a fifth axis or a tilting axis, which is flow drive entity. If we select a drive entity which is a fourth axis or linear to any axis, then or just perpendicular to any axis, then our fifth axis or tilting axis will be locked. For example, for this operation, I am just using drive entity cylinder. I am just entering the cylinder's start point and end point along the z axis. So my cylinder start will be this z 20 mm and end point will be minus 170. So my tool will be perpendicular to this cylinder. If you have any surface or external cylinder profile, we can just say revolution surface, and we can just simply select our drive entity. For every 5 axis operation, we have to give one drive entity. Surface also we can use. Currently we are using external cylinder, so we don't have to create cylinder means a physical cylinder over here. We just have to enter the parameters or seam point of the cylinder. For example, I have entered the start point and end point of the cylinder. So my toolpath will start from this 20 mm in the positive direction, and then the toolpath will end at this point minus 170. So just to say okay. Let's see the simulation. See, for fourth axis roughing toolpath also we can create a uh, smooth and a trochoidal passes, and we can increase our tool life, machine life, and also we can save cycle time. Apart from this technologies, our simulation interface is also very strong. We will provide we can provide actual machine simulation. For example, you can see this machine is Okuma Multus 3000 BXZ machine. So you can see your realistic machine simulation inside the Esprit Camp, and also you can add your original or realistic uh, cutting tool holders, and if you are using any uh, feature as well, you can add here. Then if you are using multitasking machine like sub spindle with sub spindle or bottom turret, that is also we can see here, and we can give accurate program for these elements like sub spindle operations or bottom turret operations. That is also possible. So style simulation also possible in Esprit multitasking machines like twin turret and uh, twin spindle type machines also we can see or program in Esprit. Also we can optimize the process as well. So Esprit is a full spectrum cam software. We can use it for 2 to 5 axis milling or from 2 axis to 22 axis turning type machines. We can program B axis head machine, Swiss style machine, then 5 axis milling machine, 2 axis turning machines, all type of machines we can program. Viridium also can be done with Esprit. So this is the property milling toolpath for fourth axis simultaneous fourth axis operations. Here you can see B axis is constantly on 90-degree, which means the B axis is locked at the particular position. Now let me show one more example of 5-axis milling, and then we will see one turning operation. Sorry. Okay, so same strategy we can use for 3-axis mold, 4-axis mold, and 5-axis mold. Same Z level roughing strategy we can use with the different settings. Here we can see for previous operation we were using 5-axis page or 5-axis settings with a drive entity cylinder. But for 5-axis, we are using drive entity surface. We have created this surface here. We can just select this surface, floor surface as my drive entity. Then toolpath will be driven by shape of this drive surface. Then all other things are same, like profit milling we have to say yes. Then cutting tool engagement angle we can control here. Based on this engagement angle, the step over or side engagement will be calculated. Then trochoidal passes dimensions we can control, trochoidal radius and width, minimum corner radius for remove the sharp corners. Then say okay. Let's see the simulation. Here also we are using bottom up strategy. So the tool will start from bottom, means the first cut will be larger than the second cut. Second step over passes. If you see, you can see here the first pass is removing almost maximum material, and second pass or second depth is with the very less step over passes, means width passes. With the bottom up strategy, we can remove maximum material with a single tool path. So we don't have to create multiple tool path to create a shape. We can create a shape or remove maximum material with bottom up strategy. If we use a top down strategy, then shape will not be optimized or shape will not be created, or it will remove minimum material than this bottom up strategy.
ତାର ମେଲ ଆଇବନ ଅଛି ତୁ ଯେ ମନେ
So we insist, if you are cutting a 3D shape, you should use bottom up strategy with profit milling. Now same like profit milling, we have uh, profit turning strategy for turning operations. Let me open turning file here. Now you can see same like first example I have created two same size grooves here. First groove is machined with normal zigzag grooving strategy. Let me show the operation itself. Now you can see here we are using grooving strategy zigzag. Zigzag is traditional groove turning strategy, like we can take zigzag passes, or we take zigzag passes. Constant step over or constant depth will be taken in this zigzag strategy. And same like profit concentric milling or traditional milling, standard or single centerline feed rate will be output, or it will be produced. But say this second operation is a profit turning or profit grooving, we can say. Here we are using profit turning groove type. Here also we can control engagement angle, this uh, engagement angle of this full radius or tool radius. Then based on this engagement angle, the step over or depth will be calculated. Then for smooth entry and exit, this smooth roll in and roll out passes or lead in or lead out passes will be created. These roll in or entry or exit circular passes, the size of these passes we can control here. Then feed rate also we can control. If you want to increase the feed rate for this non-cutting mode, or you want to decrease the feed rate, then you can just uh, uh, increase feed rate here. Then same crocodile radius at the corner, you can uh, give the limitations for corner radius. Then same like milling, profit milling, here also we can increase the feed rate of transition passes, because transition passes are not rapid passes.
हाँ
The rapid passes will be entry and exit pass of the operation. All other passes will be feed movement only. So whenever there is a non-cutting pass, that pass will be converted into transition. The pass will be taken in this feed rate. Then all other things are same like normal turning operation. Now you can compare the tool cycle time here. Here you can see first operation is cycle time is 1 minute and 27 seconds, and the profit milling is completing same profile in just 43 seconds with a higher tool life and low machine and tool wear. Let me show the simulation of these two operations. If you have any question, please use chat section to add your question. I will try to answer your question after this presentation. So now you can see here the tool engagement is very high here. The tool is
तू बोल ही रही है
engaged
थैंक
in
यू
Z
पर
direction,
यू आर
and then here you can see it is
तीनों पता है
taking
हैं
sharp
क्या
or
थी बची है ना लाइफ
sudden depth in the material. Here also it is taking directly depth inside the material. So whenever we are taking this type of passes, we have to reduce feed rate or we have to
थैंक्स कही दे खाली
reduce depth of cut. This depth cut we have to reduce because there is no constant tool load or constant
बट मैं
engagement, tool
हमने आए को जा रहा है
engagement.
खबर नहीं
Every time tool engagement is changing. At
है
this
तो
point, the tool engagement is high, almost 100% tool is engaged here. But when tool is coming in the center, tool will be engaged less than 50%. But this standard or traditional turning methods cannot identify the areas of high engagement, and that cannot create extra passes for high engagement area, or it cannot reduce the feed rate for high engagement angles. So the tool breakage or tool life will be compromised. Instead, here you can see tool engagement is constant and a very light step over is taken, and there is no sharp directional changes. Entry and exit is replaced with roll in and out strategy. So for every entry, there will be one circular pass. You can see here, and here as well. So you can simply increase feed rate and
कहीं नहीं है खिलाने गई थी कि
tool engagement angle as well
अच्छा
to
टॉपिक वो होता
optimize the feed rate or reduce the feed rate. So you can see first operation is completing in 1 minute and 27 seconds. But second, with the proppet milling, same profile, so with the same size, we can complete it in just 43 seconds. Okay, so let's get back to the presentation. So, as I said, these are the advantages of profit milling. We can increase productivity because we are simply reducing cycle time. Normally, we can reduce minimum 40 to maximum 75%. Then we can control tool load, then machine load. So we can simply we can increase
रैपिड करवा ना
tool life by almost 500%. Then we can extend the machine life as well because there will be no sharp directional changes, or there will be no inconsistent tool load or load on the machine
अभी
spindle.
सक्सेस हम
So
नहीं की
machine life will be extended. Then
साइकिल दे કેમ કે એનો રીઝન એ છે કે
hard material also can be machined
પોતે જાઉં છું ને તો
easily
સાયકલ જ નહીં
because
હોતી જો
we
હવા
can
નહીં હોય
control tool
એમાં
engagement
તો ટાયર છૂટું
and
હતું બોલ મેં કહ્યું ને ટાયર જ છૂટું પડે મેન્ટેનન્સ
tool load.
પછી બધા શું કરે છે
So
ખબર
basically, we
આ તો
can save
બીટસે ગઈ છે
at least
અહીંયાથી સાયકલ લીધી ને
40 to maximum 75% cycle time
એની
with
નવી
profit milling and
અને
profit turning.
એને ગમે ત્યાં
Then
એટલે
tool
જો
life
અહીંયા
we
20 છે
can
ત્યાં 20 છે
enhance to
મારા તો
almost
મથુરા ભાઈ જો ને તો અહીંયા 4 જ હોય ને બધી ત્યાં જગ્યા નહીં હોય તો બહાર મૂકીને જતા રહે
500%
અને
5
બીજું
times.
સમજ નહીં પડતી એપ્લિકેશનમાં તો પૈસા
Then
કમાયા આખો દિવસ ચાલુ રહે
these are the requirements.
જેટલી વખત જાઓ ને તો મને
Basically,
કે
before
બાપા
trying
બોલે કે
profit milling or profit turning strategy or cycle
એટલે
in the
સિસ્ટમ
machine,
તો
we have
બહારથી
to
લાવેલા હોય પણ
consider some requirements. So these are the basic requirements of profit milling.
આટલા પૈસા થોડા વધારે
In the profit milling,
કલાકના
we
4
suggest
5
we should use air coolant, air blast
હું નાનો હતા
instead of liquid coolant.
8-10 વર્ષ
Then
ત્યારે અમે તો પાંચ
tool
રૂપિયા આપતા
is will be solid
હતા
carbide
5
tool.
રૂપિયા લેતા હતા
Then speed feed parameters, high speed machining parameter, we typically just double or triple the parameter. Then machine limits we have to check before trying the profit milling or profit turning. Then proper tool and work holdings. Proper tool and work holdings means we have to ensure that our tool holder is proper. Then part holding system is good
પેલો શ્રીપલ કહે
because
કે
we
તમે
are
કે સોફ્ટવેર
using high speed material
એવું થઈ ગયું
removal cycle or high speed machining cycles. In that case, our tool holding system and
કે તમારે કે સોફ્ટવેરમાં કઈ મળે નહીં કે આમાં તમને સારું મળે
the part holding system should be
એવું જોઈએ ને ભાઈ મશીન ના આપવું
good.
તારું બી કામ બંધ થયું
Then some machine tool control settings also we have to check. For example, look ahead function we have to see.
અહીંયા આપણે મેં જ્યાં જ્યાં પૂછેલું ને તો ના પાડે બોલ
The look ahead function is fundamental in profit milling or high speed material removal cycles. If the control cannot
પેલા ચિરાગ આવી ગયો તો હા પાડે હા કોઈ બી
calculate the moves in advance, then the result will be like this. You can see the first pass is machined with control setting which has no look ahead functions. The result is
ત્યારે મને ખબર પડી ગઈ
the corners are cut,
પીવા બેહીએ ને એટલે ખબર પડે વધારે
profile is not smooth.
બહુ ડિસ્કશન થતી
But second pass, lower pass is taken with sufficient look ahead function or high speed cutting mode in the machine.
2 GB નો 3 GB નો બંને આવે
In the Mazak machine, we can simply use G61.1 or G64 geometry compensation mode or high speed machining mode to control these high speed movements. Like feed rate value, we can just control inside the machine. Then machine acceleration, deceleration, time and feed rate also we can control in the Mazak machine with this G61.1 and G64 commands. In the Okuma we can use G130 and G131 high cut mode. Same in the Moriseki machine we have G332 cutting mode. These are the parameters we have to see before trying the high speed machining. Then DMG machine. In the head and hand control we have cycle 32. For Siemens control we have cycle 832. We have to enable the cycle 832 for this
કે રાજકોટ જીટીયુ નો એગ્રીમેન્ટ
profit milling or turning strategy.
વેબસાઈટમાં લોગો આપણે બીજો કઈ ફાયદો નહીં લોગો તો યુઝ કરી
If you have any question, you may ask, or you can just use the chat box or chat section to ask any question.